Hello and welcome to week 3 of Human Development and Educational Psychology. I hope that you had a great second week and had a chance to read through chapter 2 and work through the first quiz. I will be posting those grades soon and providing you with some feedback, but if you have specific questions about items you missed or need any additional clarification, please feel free to send me an email, come by office hours, or set up a time for us to meet virtually. Just be sure that you go back and review chapter 1. You will need to apply this information again. So again, descriptive studies are those that just describe a population. They don't relate any variables. Correlational study does relate variables, but it only has one group and it doesn't determine causation. So it can't say what causes what. But an experiment will always have two different groups, an experimental group and a control group, sometimes a third group, and usually they receive different kinds of treatment, and then the results will be able to claim that whatever the intervention was caused the outcome. So just let me know if you have further questions about that, because you will need to know that information going forward. So this week is week 3. So be sure that you read through the chapter and watch the lectures. These lectures are great ways for you to be prepared for what's coming on the midterm exam and assignment. So I'll cover the important content and often offer additional explanations and things that you'll need to know. And then here you'll have videos from your classmates that are posted. So if I've received those in time, I'll be posting those here. And if no one has signed up, then I'll just be deleting those links. But be sure that you watch these videos. You will be responsible for this information on the midterm as well. And this week you're going to be working on a discussion, your first discussion other than just the flip grid discussion that we had. But this will give you an opportunity to type in a little bit more information. So in this discussion, what you'll be doing is you'll be watching 3 different videos of a boy, and it's him in 1st grade, 3rd grade, and 5th grade. And you can access those videos by clicking here. These links actually aren't active for you, but you can click here, and this takes you to a Google Drive where you will have access to those videos. So if you have problems watching it, if it's not working for some reason for you, then please be sure that you post to the course questions so I can help you. But once you watch those videos, I would suggest that you go to this table. You don't have to turn this in. This is just kind of to help you. But you'll look here at his different ages, and I, in the videos, ask him about what thinking is and what learning is, and then ask him to describe what that is. And so this is just something for you to use to record his responses to help you in posting your discussion. So once you've watched the videos and recorded the discussion, recorded what he has stated, then these are the instructions for posting. So this is what you need to be sure to post. I want you to explain how he differs at the different ages in his metacognitive strategy use, how he's changed over the course of time, and what environmental influences may have played a role. Sometimes he speaks to those, the environment that he's in, or you could even draw some conclusions about those. So how does he differ over time? And then how does that kind of relate to the book? So be sure to bring in information from the textbook about how learning changes over time, and you can provide information about he is similar or different, or provides expected or even unexpected responses. And just relate it to the book and relate it to the videos, and be sure that you have 150 to 300 words. And then that is due on Thursday. And then by Sunday, you need to reply to at least 2 of your classmates. It's 25 points each, and you can read these questions as suggestions for response. And then, again, just be sure that you are adding something else, not just agreeing with your classmate, but adding something else, a different example, a different story, a different piece of information in the textbook, and then be sure to post 2 of them by Sunday. So if you have questions before the discussion, or if you have any access problems, please be sure that you let me know by posting to the class discussion, and then this is where you'll actually post your discussion for this assignment. So let me know again if you have any issues, and I look forward to seeing your responses this week.